Last days, the weather outside is windy and rainy. It's cold summer here where I live, so I stayed at home and made this relaxing video. Here is the close-up of how watercolor avoid masked parts. After it's completely dried, I removed the glue. Composition is simple. I didn't want to overdo it, though I took some extra time to work with background. I muted raindrops and brightened up leaves at the front. I really like the contrast of black liner and white drops. Thanks for watching. Hope your summertime is more sunny and lovely than mine.